guys, welcome to Forest and Anchor. I'm Tyrone.
And I'm Amy.
And today's episode we're going to be talking about pixie dusting and all the stuff we got.
It's pretty good haul.
Pretty heavy.
Don't break it.
Now we're not going to go through everything. We've got a handful of things we're going to keep to the side. We're going to show you some of the favourites we got.
There's too much, honestly, to show you everything individually. We got so much amazing stuff.
It's definitely a lot of fun. We'll show you our fish extender.
You have to get one of those.
Thank you, Wendy. We've got a ton of stickers with a few different angles. Pretty cool. Sticker. So we'll go through our bag. We'll show you a few of the items that we've got. They can give you a bit of an idea of what you could do for pixie dusting on the boat.
Honestly, there's no rules when it comes to pixie dusting. You can pixie dust things like prepackaged treats, you can pixie dust little toys, you can pixie dust stickers, collectibles.
Yeah, anything really. It's up to you.
Scrunchies. I'm wearing one right now. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you can pretty much pixie dust anything.
And if you'd like to drop a comment in the section below of something awesome that you got pixie dusted over the years, we would love to know.
Or something that you may have pixie dusted somebody else. What was your favourite thing? What did you give them that you were really proud of and thought was really great?
All right, so we're going to go through some of our favourite things. We've got an assortment from many different nations, which we find very fascinating because you get some items that you might not get in Australia, which is always fun to look at. Makes you feel like you're travelling around the world.
Well, I suppose you are. On a ship, in a way.
Yeah, the ship does go all over the world, Amy. Back to you in the office, Dan. So when you come back from either dinner or a show, and then you get to go back to your door, it gets real exciting because, you know, you get to check that pouch and see if anyone's dropped something in there.
So my daughter was super excited. I'll put it in the other cameras so you can see a little bit better. So as you can see here, I've got some Daisy Duck stickers. So 2 different faces, different jewelry pieces. She got some hair clips, hair elastics. So for a little girl, look how cute that is. So much fun.
Scrunchies. I don't wear them, so I'll let Amy talk about it.
So I do wear scrunchies. I'm wearing an Elsa one in my hair right now, which I got pixie dusted. So someone I think has obviously made these at home and they are just really, really cool. This one's a Minnie Mouse one. Cute child size one. My daughter's hair is still too small, but that's really good for maybe like a 5 to 8 year old. Really, really cute little mini. And a really nice heartfelt keepsake. Pens, get your pens now.
Do you like pens? Everyone likes a free pen. I've got some woody pens, Mickey shaped ears. That is pretty cool.
Can't go wrong with a pen.
Can't go wrong with anything shaped Mickey Mouse. Just like that one. Also, everyone is probably sick of those paper straws by now.
Oh, for sure. They disintegrate.
Quite one to drink out of. You sit in there for about good 45 minutes, there's no straw anymore. But we got pixie dusted a year's supply of straws.
Which I think these are amazing. The kids absolutely love them. Really, really cute. Pain in the ass to clean, but really cute. It's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun.
And as you can see, you don't need to spend a lot to pixie dust. You can, spend a couple of dollars. You can just spend, $1 per person or $1 per cabin. It really doesn't have to cost you a lot. It's just to give a little bit of joy.
And I'm sure you can get these things on Temu, eBay. I'm not 100% sure.
Gibbets. Everyone's
favourite thing that their kids spend about 45 minutes looking through the box for.
But they are fun. And a lot of people were wearing Crocs on the ship.
So made on there, 703 from China. See, I like how they let us know what countries they come from, because then, that's cool.
And also, when they do inform you which cabin number, so this person has said they're from 703, it means that if you only have a select amount of things to pixie dust, you can go find this cabin and give them something back to kind of say thank you. So I really like that as well.
Also, speaking of China, We know they have Hong Kong Disneyland. We've got Shanghai Disneyland. That would be a good place to visit one day, wouldn't you think?
I do think it would be interesting to go visit.
If you guys would like to hit that subscribe button down below and join us on potential journeys.
And tell us which one you prefer, Hong Kong Disney or Shanghai Disney.
Just let us know in the comments below, because we would like to know. Seth, if you're watching, we're not going. We're definitely not going. Also, another great idea which I like, which gives me an idea for this channel when we get on our next cruise, and could give an idea for someone out there also in the YouTube game, is or Instagram
or Facebook or TikTok, Twitter,
is putting a little card with a QR code on it, a few little gifts. And this lady is Yukiko and Seiyaka.
That's right. So these ladies are on a joint birthday. So if you guys want to check them out, check out their, I think it's an Instagram. They did a joint birthday on the Disney Wonder, which I think is really, really fun. So you can go check out what they did on the ship.
They did give us multiple cards.
They were very generous.
They did give like a personalised little, I don't know what it is. It's like a keychain.
Yeah, it looks like a keychain.
Yeah, that one hasn't got that one on there, but I'm going to show us a closer look. So it does say Disney Wonder on it.
And again, it says which cabin number.
It does say the date on one of the ears. We can show you. I'll show you right there. One of the ears.
Feb 3rd to 7, 2025.
That's a good date. Candies from around the world. Pretty cool. Japanese candies. Also, more stickers, but Japanese stickers this time. That is cool. There's those bubble kind of stickers,
All kids love these kind. Got your Monsters Inc.
I always remember back in the day you'd have your own sticker book, and you'd always be collecting like either bubble ones or those furry ones.
Or the Scratch and Sniff, they were my favourite.
I don't know, you used to trade your stickers at school?
No.
No? New Zealand thing, I guess.
It is.
Subject. A Japanese Nemo book. It's cool. That is very cool. I'll show you. I'm going to give you a close up over here.
So this also comes with over 66 stickers, which you can make like your own little story, which I think is really sweet. That's a big one.
Probably one of the best ones we got.
Well, the biggest packs.
Biggest pack. Wasn't really expecting this. Pretty cool.
So as you can see, some people put quite a lot of effort into it, and they give quite a few different things. So lots of little treats, little biscuits from, I think this was from what, Korea? Yeah.
Korean.
So this is really fun. And some Starbucks stickers. So we're thinking maybe they work at Starbucks. Yeah, that's really cool.
Would love to go to Korea one day. Alright, probably one of my favourite things that I got, probably one of the most simplest things. It does have a little note to it.
And probably the most useful thing.
So this one says, the key to happiness is Disney.
My one says, the key to happiness is a Disney cruise. Enjoy from 2614.
Where I got mine from.
So slightly different items.
Yeah, they're basically the same thing. This is a bottle opener with the Mickey ears.
Okay.
There we go.
Pretty cool. You can go on your keychain, you can go on like a bag. Just keep it in like the kitchen drawer, the junk drawer. And then this one here, a little bit more delicate for the ladies.
All right, one of my favorite things that I got Pixie Dusted, because I'm a bit of a collector, would be a metal micro car. Now, they don't make cars like this, well, they obviously do, but back in the day, back in the 90s, everything was made out of metal.
Yeah, it's all
Probably
plastic.
80s, 70s, 60s, and
Before that was wood.
the 50s was rocks.
Tin cans.
But yeah,
I mean, it's a pretty nice weight.
reminds you of those old Matchbox cars.
So as you can see, we got quite a lot of stuff, and that's not everything. We have a bag full of stuff. So make sure you say in the comments what was your favorite item that we had, and what is something that you were thinking of pixie dusting on the cruise, or you can even join a fish extender gift exchange program and give something a little bit bigger. And yeah, tell us where your next Disney cruise is. Which ship are you going on next?
It's a big time for Disney Cruise. There's a lot of ships coming out, a lot of ships that have just come out. We'd love to know where you are in the world, what ship you're planning on going on, if there's any of the new ones that you're planning to go on. Just let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to know, because we're trying to plan potential trips in the future. We'd love to know where you would recommend.
What's your favorite Disney cruise? What's your favorite destination? This is our fish extender that we took on the Disney Wonder. We have 5 pockets, so one for each of us. We got to choose our own material, which is really fun. It fits a fair bit of stuff in there. If you're not sure what a fish extender is, you definitely need one if you go on a Disney cruise. You pop it on the fish hook outside your door, and all the people going past can leave treats and goodies.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be releasing videos weekly, most likely on a Sunday night.
And we're also releasing some shorts as well. So if you just want something a bit short and fun, make sure you check out those too.